الحمد لله السلامة في مسار كيلو دولي والطاف بمحله ناشئ إلى الساعة 4:30 لسلامتكم أرجع من حضوركم مقاعد الاثنين في مقاعدكم إلى أن توصل نهائيا وتنتشر كم المقاعد أرجع الساعة كنا جميع الشخصية كل مقدرة الطائرة خارج 73 رحلتين الأشهر الأخرى والحرب الأخرى أرجع أرجع من تجارة قادة في الرحلات هي تنقل جاية القطرية وقادة الإنسان تتفضى كنفة لما تكون كنفة تحكم على اليوم تجارة مصر القطرية شكرا وعطى الله
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Manila. We have just landed in Northern International Airport for the local time 30 minutes past 4 in the afternoon. For your safety, please remain seated with seatbelt fastened until the aircraft is comfortable itself and seatbelt sign is installed. Before leaving the aircraft, please ensure that you have all your stuff along with you. Customers boarding boarding passes for the onward connections are requested to coordinate the ground staff. Customers holding onward boarding passes are advised to check the flight information system for key economic information. The next time you fly with us, check online at qatarAirways.com so that you can first see activities before departure. qatarAirways.com is going to be sensors. On behalf of Qatar Airways Ethiopian Airlines, Captain Kai, along with First Officer Ahmed and First Officer Kailash, and the rest of the crew, we will be our message of flight today and thank you for flying Qatar Airways. Have a good afternoon.
Yo boy, hey, yo boy, hey, yo boy, hey, hey, yo boy, hey, hey, lele, ababa, lele. Yo boy, hey, yo boy, hey, yo boy, hey, hey, yo boy, hey, hey, lele, ababa, lele, ababa, Olá! Menina! Stop, boy! Hey, stop, boy! Hey, stop, boy! Hey, hey, stop, boy! Hey, hey, lady, I'm on my way. Lady, I'm on my way. Lady, I'm on Miller. Miller. Big boy, big down. Miller. Big boy, big down. Acto!